Coney Beach Amusement Park in Porthcawl, which the locals just call the Fair, dates from 1918, so it's over 100 years old. It is thought to have been built to entertain American troops returning from the First World War, taking its name from the slightly larger New York Pleasure Park on Coney Island. So don't forget, Rest Bay House would have been a convalescence home back in during the First World War period. What we have learnt from the series, the 6 regeneration areas of Porthcawl, is this: that the fair has already been bought and will be closed in 2026. Whether that's the start of 2026 or the end of 2026, I don't know. What we do know, however, is that Port Talbot Council has just recently put out an invitation to tender to operate a fun fair on land at Aberavon Beach. So an exciting opportunity has arisen for interested parties to tender for a temporary contract to run a fun fair at Aberavon Beachfront. It's got the dates there: Thursday the 1st of August 2024 to Sunday 11th of August 2024. If you notice further down the page, okay, opening hours are there, but where it says use of land, I want to point this out via drone footage to you guys. The area marked in blue, and it says also the area marked in red under the subheading use of land. So the blue marker is designated for a carousel only, and the area in red for a fun fair. Up to 5 large rides. The maximum height for these rides is 15 meters. I don't know, 45 feet, 48 feet I make it. So the area on the bottom left of your picture where the van is there, that would presumably be the carousel area. And this area here, this field if you like, and the next one up just across the path, past the statue, there up to, not quite to the squiggly lines, but you get the idea. That's the boundary area there of where the fun fair intends to be. I don't have an issue, by the way, with Aberavon Beach having a fun fair. Good luck to them, fantastic, I'm happy for you guys, wonderful. However, what I do take issue with is that all the documents that we've kind of looked at, there isn't any significant mention of if there will be a replacement Porthcawl Fair. That's what I take issue with. There's plenty of grounds there in the 6 regeneration areas, so I don't understand why we're not seeing kind of something replace the fair for somewhere for the kids to go, and plus as well for all the tourists. Let me know what you think below, guys. Do you agree? Do you not agree? Do you care if it's a fair? Do you don't care if there isn't a fair? Let me know in the comments on that, and I will catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.